The deeper we look into the silent dark, the more we realize how little we truly know. For centuries, it has hung in our sky, a constant, familiar presence. But the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is not the simple rock we believe it to be. It guards secrets that challenge our understanding of the universe and of our own place within it. These are the top 5 mysteries of the moon that science still cannot explain. Number 5. The lunar transient phenomena. For centuries, astronomers have documented strange, fleeting lights on the moon's surface. These flashes, glows, and colorful mists appear and disappear without warning. They have been observed by credible witnesses, from amateur stargazers to seasoned NASA astronauts. Scientists have proposed explanations ranging from meteorite impacts to outgassing from the lunar interior. But none of these theories fully accounts for the frequency, variety, and behavior of these lights. The events are too brief to study in detail, leaving us with a perplexing question. What is causing the moon to flicker as if something just below the surface is stirring? Number 4. The moon's strange composition. The moon should be a simple object formed from the debris of a cosmic collision with Earth, but its chemical makeup tells a different story. Lunar rocks brought back by the Apollo missions contain processed metals like brass and titanium in quantities far greater than on Earth. Some samples even showed signs of rust, implying the presence of water, a substance that shouldn't exist in such a vacuum. Furthermore, the moon's crust is surprisingly rich in refractory elements, materials that require immense heat to melt. It's as if the surface was once smelted by an unknown, high-temperature process. These anomalies defy the standard model of planetary formation, suggesting a history we have yet to uncover. Number 3. The shallow craters. The moon is pockmarked with craters from billions of years of asteroid impacts. Logically, a larger impact should create a deeper crater. Yet, on the moon, this rule is broken. Even the most massive craters are surprisingly shallow, as if something incredibly hard is preventing objects from penetrating deeper into the lunar body. The floors of these craters are often convex, bulging upwards. This has led some to question what lies beneath the dust. Is the moon's core protected by a shell of unimaginable strength? The data suggests a structure that is anything but natural, a geological riddle that stands as a silent monument to a force we don't understand. Number 2. The moon quakes. When the Apollo astronauts placed seismometers on the lunar surface, they expected to record the shudders of meteoroid impacts and the groans of a cooling core. They found something far stranger. The moon experiences deep, cyclical quakes that occur with clockwork precision each time it reaches its closest and farthest points from Earth. But it also produces shallow quakes, some lasting for over 10 minutes. The most bizarre discovery came when NASA intentionally crashed the Apollo 12 lunar module into the surface. The moon rang, as scientists described it, like a bell for nearly an hour, suggesting a hollow or unusually rigid structure. Natural satellites are not supposed to behave this way. What is causing these prolonged, resonant vibrations? Number 1. The origin paradox. The most profound mystery is the moon itself. Our best theory, the giant impact hypothesis, states that a Mars-sized object collided with early Earth, and the moon formed from the resulting debris. But this model has critical flaws. Computer simulations struggle to create a moon with the same composition and orbit as our own. The moon's orbit is nearly a perfect circle, and it is tidally locked, forever showing us only one face, an orbital configuration of incredible rarity. It is too large, too old, and too strange to be a simple, captured satellite. Its existence seems to defy the odds of celestial mechanics, almost as if it were placed there intentionally, a silent, eternal observer. The evidence does not lie, it simply waits. We look at the moon and see a reflection of our own world, but perhaps we are only seeing what we expect to see. The anomalies in its composition, the shallow depth of its wounds, the way it rings like a gong, these are not random data points. They are pieces of a puzzle we have only just begun to assemble. The truth doesn't disappear, it simply hides in plain sight, waiting for us to ask the right questions. Thank you for watching.